This is the gaming chair. Here's the final result. I'm going to go through the assembly process. So insert chair wheel into 5-star feet. Step 2. Insert nozzle link into the 5-star feet. Step 4. Place seat back and align with back screws. Step 5. Add adjuster with screws. Step 6. Place chassis on bottom of seat and align holes. Step 7. Place armrest and fasten with screws. Step 8 and final step, insert 5 jaw into the chassis hole. Lastly, I'm just going to go through some of the features of the gaming chair. Okay, so the chair, you just press the lever and it'll lift. And as you can tell, my legs are all the way to the bottom. Next we're going to do is show how it can go backwards. Pretty much can go straight, relax, and then go back up. Next we're going to do the recliner. And so you just put and just relax. Okay, next you can turn these at different angles. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.